Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Mink lashes, honey. We got them for $2 instead of spending $20-$30 on lashes. We got Mink lashes for $2. Did we say $2? Okay, so I got these off of Aliexpress. At first I was looking into getting some Mink lashes, but I did not want to pay $30 for lashes, so I decided to go and do some research, and I came across these Mink lashes from AliExpress called Viso free Mink lashes, and they're 3D eyelashes, and this is what it comes in, just like this, a little regular package. And it takes about, I'm gonna say, 2 weeks to come in, which isn't that long. Free shipping, and they come into really good packaging, which I'm gonna show you guys right this second. So this is going to be lash A14, and they come into this cute little glitter package here, as you can see, which is very cute. Their lashes are very full and super 3D, as you can see on the side, and when I saw it online, they look exactly like what they do online, so that's a plus. They have different styles. I believe they have the A styles, and then they have the D styles. So this is one of the D style lashes that I did get, and this is in D127, and these are very cute. In the middle it shows the fullness here, and then on the ends it's like not so much hairs, but it's a good amount of hairs. But I like that they look natural, and I love when my lashes look full in the middle but not too full at the ends. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys how I apply these lashes, and then we're gonna get back in and I'll show you the rest of the lashes at the end of the application. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with this. You are going to need lash tweezers, which I got from shopmissa.com. They are $1, so you don't have to go out and spend an excessive amount of money. So you can get these lash tweezers for $1 on shopmissa.com. And then you also going to need a regular pair of tweezers from Forever 21, and their tweezers I believe is about $2, and it comes with 2 pairs. Your lash glue, which is I got this from the beauty supply store. You can use whatever brand you used to, but this one I particularly like because it stays on my eyes all night and it will not move. Sometimes it hurts to even get them off, but I like that they are very secure with these lashes. So the lash that I'm going to be using today is going to be 118, and I love these lashes because they are super full and it gives you that full mink cat eye lash that I'm going to love. So let's like this little clear package, this clear plastic wrap, and each of them did have that on it, so that's very good. It comes in this plastic case, and it has this glitter. They're super full, super thick lashes. You want to see if your lashes fit your eyes. And it's a little bit long. These scissors, I forgot to mention scissors. And they come with these little like tiny tabs at the end, like extra tabs. So you want to cut those off, else it's going to be poking you in the eyeballs. And you want that glue to get tacky, and you want to Probably I'll say wait about 5 seconds. You can blow on it, but if you are going to be putting these on someone else's lashes, please do not blow on them, okay? No one wants your germs. Nobody. Not me, not your mama, nobody. And you want to have your mirror facing upwards so you can look down into your mirror. So there you go, lashes, squeeze, and you want to start off right in the middle of your eye. Boom. Okay, and there you have it, and the rest you just work with. And my lash is not fully, my glue is not fully dry, so you still want to be careful. And you want to attach at the ends. Once you got that middle locked in, you want to push in at the ends. Use your rest of the clamp, and you clamp your real lashes and your falsies together. These lashes are super out there, okay? This is your style. If this is your style of lash, you are going to love these. But I like my lashes to be a little bit more on the natural side, but just for the sake of this video, I decided to go big or go home. And this lash glue will kill you, okay? Legit kill you. It just got in my eye and I thought I almost died. So, Lord, be prepared. One down, one more to go. These lashes right here will have you snatching niggas' souls, okay? You be snatching, okay? You be snatching everybody's nigga with these lashes, okay? Okay. So these lashes right here, let's just say, if you ready to go find yourself a man or whatever you like, a cow for all I care, this will have you looking snatch, honey. Take your look to the next level. And I cut off about, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much I cut off. I cut off about this much. Boom. You see that? And if you can't afford lash glue, you can use hair glue. And if you like to see this natural beat, please let me know. Please subscribe and or comment down below and let me know if you would like to see this natural beat, a video of this natural look. Let me know. My other one. I do not recommend that lash glue. It is terrible. It burns like a mother sucker. Okay, and they are on. I put on a little bit of mascara for your tops. Just push your hair up out of the way. Mascara, I'm Lift Me Up Wonder Lashes by Rimmel London. So you can use your favorite mascara, whatever you choose that you may like to darken that up. And there you have it. This is, once again, D118. And for my first impressions video, I can definitely say these lashes are bomb. Like, for $2.36, you would never catch me buy a 30 pair lash ever, okay? A $30 pair of lashes ever. You won't ever catch me buy that. But this right here, $2.36, I'll buy 100. These are very good if you are starting out brand new and, you know, into makeup and stuff like that. I would definitely recommend these lashes from Aliexpress, and I will definitely put the link down below. And here are the rest of these lashes that I have gotten from them, and so far I'm loving these. And normally I would think these lashes will be too full and too big or whatever, but they're very, very, very cute. Very cute. And honey, can I say, I will be buying them again. I will be buying them again. And they are Yolanda approved, okay? They are Y Kimberly approved. So the rest of these that I got are, I got about 6 lashes from the D collection, which is all the D lines, and these look more fuller. So this is D120. Come on, focus. D120, D117, D2, D123, and D127. And this is where the numbers are, where I can tell what type of styles they are. The packaging is really good. I cannot complain. They come into this individually plastic wrapped that you can, they protect the lashes. Nothing can get into it with these plastic wraps. So I am definitely happy about that. Their packaging is amazing. This is also all the A styles that I got. These are all the A style lashes. This is A8, A14, A06, A09, which is beautiful. Can you see that? Beautiful. A09, and this is A19, which is beautiful. So that's it for this tutorial on these beautiful lashes. I got 11 pairs of lashes for $26, which is amazing. Okay, 11 pairs. So, and I believe you can wear these. They're good for about 3 weeks. So 11 pairs of lashes. Amazing. I'm loving these. So please go and check them out. This video is not sponsored, obviously, but if you're a baddie on a budget, I recommend you to go and get these lashes. They're amazing.